Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor. It is July 6th. Hope everyone had a great and safe weekend. Welcome back. We do have the markets, though, sharply lower as far as grains to start. Corn down about 9.25 cents overnight. Beans down 20. Wheat down about 16. So we're into this time frame right now where, well, the producer's concerned, where we see the market typically decline a little bit after the 4th of July. We had a nice run-up. I think we're giving back some of that here today, but the close will be very important. Watching the rain over the weekend through most of the midsection, we had beautiful weather, and we do have some rain on the way, but most of those the heavier totals that they were expecting for more of the south was pushed even further south. That really is giving us good growing conditions right now. We do have good to excellent ratings that are going to be out a little later on this afternoon. You got the trade kind of mixed on that, but we'll see. But the timing of everything seems to be more important here this morning. Not only that, we got this Greek situation is still going to be looked at as friendly to the dollar, but that is still going to be looming with just what's going to happen. We don't know. But that has the stock market down about 160 right now. Crude oil down $2.30. But with the situation there, we had the funds that were short, and they were short quite a few contracts. You've got them coming in, buying those contracts back, and they have already, and they're basically flat. And when you look at what they've done, even in beans, they actually are long beans. So if they're going to tighten up positions, what are they going to do? Well, they're going to end up selling those or what have you, and they're still making some adjustments. So that's what's got us kind of on the defensive here today. The weather, continue to watch that. There are some rains in the forecast, but it doesn't seem to be too heavy at totals. But most of the midsection looks like we could see good to excellent ratings, maybe a little bit better with the heat and the lack of rain over the last several days. Looking at livestock, cattle starting off maybe a little bit weaker this morning. Just because the outside markets and just the way that all markets are trading here this morning. But we did see about $2 higher in cash last week. Kansas and Texas trading at about 150, Nebraska at 152. So a little better trade there, and we did see the markets adjust to that. Looking at hogs, probably a steady open there. Charts look really good for hogs. We've seen a decent rally for the hogs, and we need to see if that does continue. But I'm expecting to see some choppy trade today out of the hogs. But as I mentioned, stock market, all eyes on Greece right now. And what does it look like? What are they doing? Their vote over the weekend of a no has got just about all markets across the globe down this morning. Crude oil dropping at $2.30 right now. The dollar is up 42. So keep an eye on that. That situation seems to be very negative, and we've got just that negative attitude across all markets, and that may keep us on the defensive. There is a report for grains out on Friday, so the 10th, just a supply and demand report. So from the numbers that we had seen come out, we're going to see some adjustments. So we may find some support as we get closer to that, just in the idea of tighter ending stocks once again. But we'll talk about that later in the week. But give us a call if you have any questions. You can reach us here, 800-262-7538, or check us out on the web at Allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys have a great day today. We'll talk to you again tomorrow. Take care.